Wasteland Viper.
You can come in and trade supplies, but you can no longer access the building.
That's cool. So we can. All right. So I'm not gonna get shot by you guys.
No.
Supplies? All right.
No. If you don't give us a reason to. If you shoot in town, we will shoot you.
Oh, all right. So we shoot in town.
If you cause any disturbance in town, if you're sneaky enough and we don't see it, that's whatever you want. Firing firearms in or at the town, you're good.
Fair enough.
Wait, guys, it's tree with the wing. You walk up on it.
Tree again. Josh, it's tree again.
We're buried. Still one out there.
Hey, watch that side of the line.
What happened?
Nothing wrong.
Got your man.
We got him. Fired at my Mercs. Mercs are now still on site.
Where?
Hey!
Chris,
What?
tell Justin I got his fucking Gatorade. I'm gonna drink the shit out of it. You see this? You see this? Oh!
You're a savage.
You see these?
You're a
You see these big brown lips on this motherfucking bottle? It's mine!
Three twos.
Got me in the leg, won't take me a minute.
What? What just happened?
What just fucking happened?
What just happened?
I don't know. I just made sure he's dead though.
Okay. No more gunfire in the town. Next person to shoot, I'm shooting.
What happened?
I don't know. Take her to the tree.
Got him.
Oh wait, we don't have
Shot you in
it.
the leg.
So.
But he was what? She pointed at me.
I didn't do anything.
We're gonna set a bounty on Dave, and if they get him, we're just gonna repay him by killing him.
I don't understand.
It's just fun.
It's all for giggles now.
Tell us your job here.
My job is to sell the good people of Viperville supplies such as water, food, a lot of food, ammo, guns, axes, swords.
How is business?
It has been great.
But if he shoots you, he can steal it off you.
That's cool. I'm gonna drink it. Oh shit! I'll take that.
I don't know if he wants your lips on it then.
Double whammy. I don't know how they got the Gatorade.
Died, and somebody stole it, I guess, and
Somebody brought it to us.
yeah.
Did you not just trade it to me?
I did.
It's yours. Somebody brought it to us.
Like CJ, just look at all the actual food and water.
Look at all the shit they got. See, we didn't know. Somebody brought it to us.
Just step up the line. You don't have to take your shell out, but you gotta. It's off, man.
Come in.
What about you? You got anything? Other than the sword?
A little half choke.
Hey, we got two over here.
Melee's fine.
Oh.
That's alright. We got it.
Magazine?
Don't be difficult.
Or is it gonna drop your ammo?
So we store stuff in the base. Yeah, we gotta start raiding the woods now. That's where CJ puts the good stuff.
Here's a pistol. It's on the side. It's on the side.
What are you grabbing?
Oh, we already checked all that, by the way.
Isaac already got.
Yeah, I got everything we needed.
We already got the Hershey bar for the
Plus, we got a bunch
side
of other questions shit too.
They said if they.
Alright, let's go check out.
They got firepower though.
Barry!
They all running AEGs
Barry!
right now.
That's what I'm just saying.
Is it safe?
I'm just saying.
We are the biggest group.
They were
right now.
talking-
For now. All have AEG
we were chill.
rifles.
What?
That entire group
Alright.
over at the small tower.
Look.
And we have, well, besides you and him, everyone else has a rifle.
You want to come help us take our base back?
Bag off for shelter.
Yeah, I already know what tent you guys are on, right? That's it.
I'm trying to find my group first. Once we find our group, then we'll re-up with you. All right? I'm missing 2 members from
That crack is circling.
All right, center of town.
All right, so we good. We see you. We ain't gonna shoot you.
Yeah, we're not shooting at you. Our group left us for dead. I'm just trying to find my other boys.
Hey, look, it's just you two I'm not shooting at, all right?
The girl, the blonde-haired girl, and the tall guy.
All right. Stay out the room. Okay. That's fucked up. Please don't be anything in the bottom of there. Oh my god.
I'll be looking in there, guys.
I'll do anything for some twos.
This is what security does.
Jose, they're coming back. They won't be stupid.
They're shooting us from town. I don't know what was. I'm good. Let's be real.
Kyle, drop the man on the left, I got the right.
Let me know where they're at.
What, we gonna kill him or something?
Yeah, let's just help them take the oil field.
I told you.
Alright.
We're taking the oil field. All right, let's go.
Kyle's coming down.
Who's shooting?
We're good, he's good, it's Jose.
Right there on the left-hand side.
Oh, you think you play? I think we killed them all. They all dead? Cool. They're all dead.
You're good. You can grab it right down there. Everything got moved to the medical building.
Everyone capture Isaac! Everyone kill Isaac!
Oh damn. Well, this is junk. Stuff I can actually use.
Gentlemen, you do some dumb shit, this grenade will kill fucking everyone. Letting you know.
Do that.
It worked.
Have a reason to live.
All right, boys, so you lost your town?
Fuck down
Heard
the
about
squadron.
them too.
They're going. I mean, there's 3 of them.
We were just shooting.
They're going. They're split in half.
Keeping the trench coat and coming up pretty slick, you know.
Because we didn't know.
You could just be like, hey, truce.
But it's you.
Hi. I don't even know you. You're sad. If you started, then I'll finish. All right. Well, go inside. We'll talk strategy. See if we got one on ammo and supplies.
Understood.
Got a little bit of. Yeah, we got some stuff. We got a little something.
Isaac, how do you feel as a prisoner?
At least I'm not getting.
Right in front of us, there's a stat.
To the right. No, hold on.
He's dead.
Right,
Dead guy walking.
Go.
Is the market open, sir?
You put your weapon down.
Keep it locked. Take out your mag.
Yeah, hack away at it with that thing.
Dead.
Why did I get killed?
Because we're not stupid.
Hey, boy. You own it. Can we give it to Dave?
I think that there's 2 swords over by the market.
Confiscate their weapons. And it's muddy.
Eat it.
Over here.
Your sword's right there.
Loser does Mud Angel.
Mud Angel for the loser.
Winner gets the gold. What are the rules?
For the gold?
What are the rules?
There are no rules.
There are limbs. If you chop off limbs, you cannot use that limb. Though hits on the head or chest, instant kill. Best of 5 rounds. All right, ready. Here. Go.
Well,
Dave
that's
wins that round.
one for Dave.
Hey, ready. Get ready. Go.
Yeah, break your thrust.
Oh, no face. I got it. 2 for Dave.
That's 2 for Dave.
I know.
Oh,
Dave,
3 for Dave.
It didn't.
Ivan, I'm on your right.
You shooting at security, gonna die. Hey, I'm coming for you.
I'm gonna jump out with the claymore mine.
That's fucking hilarious.
But the gold?
I'm trying to find the gold.
Hey,
I know where it's
bud.
at. If you can get it, you can have it.
It's in the marketplace.
I don't know where the fuck that is.
Right there. Right there.
What we're looking at.
Someone's gotta be brave to open it.
Whoa.
We have more time over there. Can get the other 2.
Where's that P5 at?
Is that coming?
Did you get those last two?
Yeah. You want to borrow your gun?
You kill people again? Because we can't win.
They're gonna stack on him.
How many notes are you taking to the
Dead guys, don't shoot!
Oh shit!
If you're dead, don't shoot.
I've been hit.
Oh shit.
Damn!
That's deep mud, bro. It says deep mud.